Alright, skincare lovers, let's face it. Eye creams can cost more than your morning latte addiction. But what if I told you that you could make a DIY anti-aging eye cream right in your kitchen that not only tackles dark circles and puffy eyes, but also kicks fine lines and wrinkles to the curb? And guess what? It rivals some of those fancy skincare brands at Sephora, Ulta, and even Olive Young. Hey, Korean skincare fans! Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly beauty magic. First things first, why do our eyes betray us with puffiness and those dreaded dark circles? Cue dramatic gasp. From lack of sleep, thanks Netflix, to dehydration and stress, these culprits make us look like we've just walked off the set of a zombie movie. But fear not, because we've got nature's finest here to save the day. Let's talk about our heavy hitters in this DIY eye cream, the carrier oils. Now don't let the term carrier fool you. These oils are the anti-aging skincare MVPs for fighting wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. Here's the dream team: Kakadu Plum Oil. With vitamin C levels higher than your average orange, this oil is your go-to for brightening under-eye circles and giving your skin that lit from within glow. Think Drunk Elephant's vitamin C serum, but on a budget. Kalahari Melon Seed Oil. Need hydration without feeling greasy? This light, fast-absorbing oil is perfect for delicate eye areas. It's like La Mer, but without the La price tag. Buriti Oil. Packed with beta-carotene, this is your anti-aging superhero. It boosts collagen production, reducing fine lines and wrinkles faster than you can say La Roche-Posay. Pomegranate Seed Oil. Hello, antioxidants! This oil, popular in Korean skincare, fights off free radicals, hydrates deeply, and restores elasticity, making those crow's feet wave goodbye. Sea buckthorn oil, rich in vitamins A, C, and E, this oil is all about rejuvenation. It's like turning back the clock on your skin. Blackpink may have made this one popular. Hey everyone! It's hard out here in these YouTube streets for tiny channels. Liking this video and subscribing really does make a difference. Consider it your good deed of the day. Also, if you love high heels but hate the pain, check the link in the description for 20% off Vivian Lew insoles. No lie, they're in every pair of heels I own. Now, on with the show! Now, let's get to the fun part: essential oils. These little bottles of magic are concentrated powerhouses that tackle puffiness, wrinkles, and dark circles like pros. If you're a fan of brands like doTERRA, Young Living, or Simply Earth, you'll enjoy this. Pick your favorites from this lineup. Lavender, relaxing, soothing, and oh so calming. Lavender helps reduce inflammation, puffiness, and gets your skin ready for beauty sleep. Chamomile. Say goodbye to irritation. Chamomile calms puffiness and brightens the under-eye area, giving you that just had 8 hours of sleep look. Helichrysum, the fountain of youth in a bottle. Helichrysum reduces fine lines and increases skin's elasticity, making it a perfect anti-aging ingredient. Geranium reduces puffiness and brightens dark circles, with a beautiful floral scent that'll make your DIY eye cream feel luxurious. Cypress. Want tighter skin? Cypress tones and firms the skin, making it a fantastic addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. Frankincense. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, frankincense smooths wrinkles and regenerates skin cells like a pro. Neroli. This beauty stimulates skin regeneration and improves elasticity, giving you that youthful, glowing look we all crave. Alright, here's where the magic happens. We're making a DIY eye cream that's 96% carrier oils and 4% essential oils. It's budget-friendly, natural, and effective. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons Kakadu plum oil, 2 teaspoons Kalahari melon seed oil, 1 teaspoon Buriti oil, 1 teaspoon pomegranate seed oil, 1 teaspoon sea buckthorn oil. Essential oils, 4% of your mix. These are optional, so feel free to choose any combo of these beauties. 1 drop lavender or neroli, 1 drop chamomile or geranium, 1 drop helichrysum, 1 drop frankincense or cypress. Directions: mix all your carrier oils together in a small glass jar. Add the essential oils, stirring gently. Transfer to a glass dropper bottle for easy application. Store in a cool, dark place and use morning and night for best results. Okay, we've got our recipe, but how does it compare to the big names in the game like Medicube, La Mer, Drunk Elephant, and La Roche-Posay? Let's break it down. Vitamin C Power Kakadu Plum Oil is a vitamin C powerhouse, which gives Medicube and Drunk Elephant's vitamin C serum a run for its money. Anti-aging abilities. With Burity and pomegranate seed oils, you're getting La Mer level hydration and wrinkle-fighting power without the hefty price tag. Sensitive skin-safe Kalahari melon seed oil is as lightweight and hydrating as La Roche-Posay's best creams, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Budget beauty. Let's not forget you can whip up this luxurious eye cream for a fraction of what you'd spend at Sephora or Olive Young. You'll look like $1 million without spending it. Take this anti-aging DIY eye cream to the next level by using Terahertz gua sha mushrooms. If you've watched any of my content before, you know how much I love Terahertz gua sha tools. Terahertz gua sha is like a professional treatment at a dermatologist without the expensive price tag. It stimulates blood flow, helps with skin regeneration, and helps the eye cream to penetrate more deeply. As part of your daily skincare routine, apply a drop or two of your DIY eye cream with the tip of your ring finger. Then gently move the gua sha mushrooms around the orbital bone. You'll notice brighter, less puffy eyes with fewer lines and wrinkles in just a few weeks. You're welcome, ladies. So, there you have it. Your very own DIY anti-aging eye cream that tackles dark circles, puffy eyes, and fine lines like a skincare superhero. It's affordable, effective, and you can customize it with the essential oils that work best for you. Why spend hundreds at Sephora or Ulta when you can create this budget-friendly beauty at home? Your skin and wallet will thank you. Ready to give it a try? If you like this video, check out this playlist for more skincare on a budget, because who says you need to break the bank for flawless skin? Effective skincare doesn't have to be expensive. Stay glowing, friends. See you next time.